In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method in Google without logging out. This is particularly useful if you want to switch things up quickly and seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you want to open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. If you're not already signed in, you should do so using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate over to the Google Pay website. You can simply type Google Pay into the search bar or go directly to pay.google.com. Now this is where the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Pay site, you will notice a dashboard that shows you an overview of your payment activity. What you want to do now is look for the Payment Methods section, which is usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page that presents all the current payment methods linked to your account. Now that you can see your existing payment methods, let's focus on the one you want to update or change. To do this, find the payment method in question and click on it. A little pencil icon, often used for editing, should appear next to it. Click on this pencil icon to open the editing interface. Here's a little tip to keep in mind. If you're adding a new card or another payment method that involves sensitive details, ensure you're on a secure and private network to protect your information. Now, enter the new payment information that you want to use. If it's a new credit card, you'll be prompted to enter the card number, expiry date, and the CVV code at the back of your card. Once you're done entering the new details, look for a Save button, often located at the bottom of the page. Click it to store your updated information. A quick reminder here. Make sure all the information you provide, like your billing address and card details, is accurate. Mistakes or typos will prevent the process from completing successfully. After saving the changes, you should receive a confirmation message either on the screen or via email. This is your assurance that your new payment method has been saved successfully. If you ever need to confirm or make additional changes, you can always revisit the Payment Methods section on Google Pay. This platform gives you the flexibility to manage everything from one place without the need to log out and back in between tasks, saving time and reducing hassle. And there you have it. Changing your payment method in Google without logging out is really that straightforward. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your accounts while keeping everything streamlined and secure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tech guides.